Hello बच्चों, let's do question number 4 of exercise 3.4. And question number 4 is saying that the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So how we will solve these questions? To solve these questions, what are the things that we required here? First is we have to find the Rahman's age 3 years ago. Then we have to find the Rahman's age 5 years from his present age, and then find the reciprocal of both of these ages and then add them and make them equal to 1 by 3. Okay, and in this way we will get his present age. So let us start. Let present age of Rahman is what? X years. Now 3 years ago, what will be his age? What would have been his age 3 years ago? Would have been what? X minus 3, because if his present age is X, then 3 years ago his age would have been X minus 3. As if you are 14 years old now, and how old are you 3 years ago? You are 11 years old. You just subtracted the number of years that has been asked you to how many years ago you were 11 years old. So you just subtract all that years that has been asked. Okay, so if I want to get the age after 5 years, then 5 years after age of Rahman will be what should be his age? Definitely we will add number of years. So the age of Rahman after 5 years will be X plus 5. Okay, so now according to question, they are saying that the reciprocal means this is X minus 3, reciprocal of this will be X upon X minus 3, and reciprocal of this will be 1 upon X plus 5. And in the question it has been said that the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to just simplify this and solve this. Firstly, find out the LCM. The LCM will be X minus 3 into X plus 5. Okay, here you can see that X minus 3 is already there. So we have to multiply to make this. We have to multiply the denominator by X plus 5 and numerator also by X plus 5. And when we will do so, 1 into X plus 5 will be X plus 5. Similarly, here again you can see that X plus 5 is already there. To make it like this, you have to multiply the denominator and numerator by X minus 3. So X minus 3, which is further equal to 1 by 3 as it is. Now simplify. X plus X will be 2X, and 5 minus 3 will be 2. Okay, divided by, simplify this, X into X plus 5 minus 3 into X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon what? 3. And further cross multiply this 3 will go here and multiply. So 3 into 2x minus 2 is equal to, simplify this, you'll get what? X square plus x into x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 5s are 15. Okay, and further 6x minus 6 is equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x, you'll get 2x minus 15, and take all these terms to that side, and this will further implies x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15, and this will turn into positive plus 6 is equal to 0, which is further equal to x square minus 4x minus 15 plus 6. You'll get what? Minus 15 plus 6, you'll get 9 plus 9, which is equal to 0. We have 3 2s are 6. Okay, here is 5 minus 3. Here it will be plus 2. Okay, not minus 2. It will be plus 2. And so here it will be minus. And minus 15 and minus 6, that will be what? Minus 21. Now you have to find out the number which when get multiplied you get 21, and when added or subtracted you get minus 4. So firstly we write the factors of 21, and that will be what? 7 3s are 21. So write down here x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. This further imply x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0, and this further implies x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. From here you can conclude that this is positive, this is negative, so age cannot be negative, so we reject this and take this. Therefore Rahman's present age is 7 years old. Rahman's present age is 7 years. Okay, he is 7 years old. So in this way we have solved this question. We can check this also here. 1 upon 7 minus 3, that will be 4. So 1 upon 4 plus 7 plus 5 will be 12. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 12. So you'll get what? 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 12. So you'll multiply this by 3 and you'll multiply this by 3 and you'll do 4 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 3. And that's all.